Fellow JavaScript developers, my name is Reymann, and tonight I'm going to present a talk, ACE JavaScript Interviews, Scoping and Hoisting. If any of you think the topic is too simple, let me start with a quiz. I have some code here, and as you can see, there's a function. I'm running the function. I could basically, okay, could have been an anonymous function, but okay, I have a function, I'm running the function, and I'm console logging x. So, what is going to be console log when I run this program? You have 10 seconds to look at the code and think. Okay, who's for 10? Okay, okay, who's 1? Undefined? Cheese? No, okay. So, yes, it's 10. So, no, yes and no. It's not cheese, not 1, not undefined, it's 10. If you don't know why, you will understand after the talk. If you listen carefully, yes. So, scope is a visibility of variables defined in one part of the program to another part of the program. So if you have a variable A, can you use it above in the code, below in some function, in a class, anywhere? So here, in my program, I'm defining a variable A. What will be the scope of this variable? Yes, it's global. Now, there's a function B, variable B. What is going to be a scope of this variable? Function scope, correct. This will be visible everywhere in this function, here, here, and also here. Yes, perfect. Boom, boom, boom. Function C. We are defining a variable with let and a constant with const. What is going to be a scope of these two, of this variable and this constant? A statement scope. You don't call it statement, yes, please? Block, yes. Do you know why they changed this in ES6 and now it's a block scope? I don't know, but I think they tried to make JavaScript more similar to other programming languages, so guys from Java, C# can think that they can understand JavaScript. They don't understand it anyway because you need to understand JavaScript to understand the JavaScript, but they tried to make some attempt to make JavaScript more like Java. Stupid idea. And yes, so now there's another example. Function D, I'm running function D, and I'm console logging D. What is going to be console logged? Error, reference error, correct. Let me just prove it to you. I need to just comment out this console log before. So where's the function D, blah, 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 blah. Function D. Reference error D is not defined. Yes. Sorry, guys. My F function doesn't work. I need to run my bash profile. Okay. So I'm gonna comment this statement. What is going to be console logged now? Undefined. Yes, most people say it's undefined. Yes, that's correct. Do you know why? No. I'm giving the talk. I will explain. This is because of hoisting, behavior specific to JavaScript, which means moving declarations of variables to the top of their scope. So in this case, declaration, not definition, declaration of this variable is here, because this variable has a function scope. And here in the code is actually being only defined with 10. So when you declare a variable, it's declared, but it's undefined. You console log it, it's undefined in here. So now when I will run the program, it will say undefined. You can see it here. Okay. Let me just comment it out. Next. Boom, 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 boom. What's going to be console logged? What's going to happen? Correct. Because this function is also hoisted, so in programming languages without hoisting, it would be an error. But here, this function is moved to the top of the current scope, so to the top of the program, even before the title of the talk. Now, a function ff. Undefined, you say. Yes, I got you. Nobody knows. Ha 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 ha. Okay, yeah. Not the function is the closest answer. Yes, I will show you. ff is not the function. Type error. Yes. Because this variable is declared at the top of the program, somewhere at the top, and here the function is being assigned to this variable. Here it's undefined. You try to run undefined as a function, and you have a type error. Oh, nothing else. It's almost the end of the talk. Now I will explain you why this is 10. Now all of you should understand why this is 10, even guys that thought it's 1 or cheese. So, in this code, this variable x has a function scope. It's being, due to hoisting, it's being declared in here. After declaration, it's being undefined. Now we have if statement, which says if not x, so if not undefined, which is equal to true. So if statement is being executed, x is 10, and now when I console log, yes, it's 10. Thank you, guys.